Alright, this is basically marking the shim. As you can see, some of the exhaust shimmers have already been removed.
Yeah.
And as you can see, the few that left has the mark on them. This is like the E7, E8. And over here in the box, we mark them with paper inside, so that if the marker,
E8.
you can see, so that if the marker writing rubs off, we still have the paper inside to know exactly where which shim goes.
Yes. Because we don't want it to mix up, because we don't want to put in back customer vehicle.
Yes.
Then bend valve or
Yes.
we hear any form of knocking sound coming
Yes,
from the
because
engine.
here at All Vehicle Diagnostic, we believe in doing an excellent job for our customers.
All vehicle diagnostic. Why that easy? Business, man. That's what I talk about. I'm not joking. A real meds, man. I too.
So now we are actually at the intake where we are about to remove the shim. And then, as you can see, the valve stem, we're about to remove the valves and call it a day for the head, right?
Oh, I forgot to say valve.
You forgot to have it, Alright.